Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to set your exercise days goal in the Fitbit app. This feature helps you stay consistent with your fitness routine by tracking how many days each week you want to work out. First, open the Fitbit app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top right. Then, from menu, click on Fitbit Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the section labeled Activity and tap on it. Now click on Exercise Days. Here, you can choose the number of days per week you want to exercise. For example, you can select 3, 5, or 7 days depending on your goal. Once you've selected your preferred number of exercise days, tap on Set Goal to save your changes. Your Fitbit app will now help you stay on track by reminding you of your weekly exercise target. Subscribe, like, and share for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.